I recently received a question about my 4-ingredient bread recipe. Someone said their dough wasn't rising, so let's troubleshoot with a quick video. The most common reasons why dough does not rise are yeast problems, temperature issues, or just not enough time. Yeast can't do its job if it's expired or dead. Always use fresh yeast and check the expiration date on the package. And you can test your yeast by proofing it in warm water with 1 teaspoon of sugar. If it doesn't foam up in 5 to 10 minutes, it's no good. You might also be using too little yeast. Be sure to follow your recipe. If your water is too hot, it'll kill the yeast. Keep the water around 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not exceed 139 degrees. Test your water temperature and consider getting a new thermometer if you think it could be off. On the flip side, if your ingredients are too cold, it slows everything down. Let them come to room temperature before using them. And if your kitchen is chilly, that could be the problem too. Find a warm, draft-free spot for the dough to rise, ideally between 72 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have a cold kitchen, turn on your oven for a bit to warm up the room. Okay, how about other factors? Sometimes it just needs more time, so be patient. For example, if you live at a low altitude, you can have slower rising times. If your dough feels too dry, it might struggle to expand. Adjust the hydration by adding a little water if needed. Is a crust forming on the dough? That can stop the rise. Keep it covered with a damp cloth or plastic wrap. And don't forget to check your oven temperature. An inaccurate oven can throw everything off. How to fix your flat dough. First, test your yeast before you start. Second, find a warm, cozy spot for your dough to rise. Third, give it more time to rise. Finally, if all else fails, double-check the recipe. You might have missed or misinterpreted something. We've all done it. The good news is that I've heard from so many people who have successfully used my easy 4-ingredient bread recipe to make delicious bread that I am confident it works. So check the recipe for the right ingredients, temperatures, and times. Then let me know if this worked for you or not in the comments.